All right, guys, we got a fresh trade in today, a 2017 John Deere 5045E, 45 horsepower, only 399 hours, two-wheel drive, quick attach front end loader, comes with bucket and spear, 3-point hitch, 540 PTO, standard shift transmission. We're gonna fire it up and run it around for you. Little paint gone inside the bucket. Other than that, tractor's about like new. It's got power steering, 3-range selector, 3 gears, so you got 9 forward gears and 3 reverse. It's got park. Let's see, $3.99 on the hours. One set of rear remotes. If you got any further questions, you can give us a call and we can get shipping quotes directly to your door.